Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's a bit of an update this on the PA system sound problem. Two speakers that are sitting on the table in front. Yeah, found out that the problem is Virtual DJ, the program that I've got running. Yeah, so for some reason, I don't know why it does it, but as soon as I try to connect that to the PA, it's having none of it. But I found there was a way around it. If I go into the record in on the sound card on the actual computer, it works absolutely perfectly fine. So I get both channels perfectly, so I don't know. I've got no answer. All I know is that it's working fine now. Yeah, so a bit weird, but yeah, obviously I can't play the two together. I can't play the speakers on the unit and the PA because they're like a second and a half out. Like one's like playing against the other sort of thing. Yeah, the sound cards, the difference between them is like way out. But yeah, at least I've got all my monitoring facilities back now. So if I want to use something a bit more power, I can use the PA. If I've got a small house party or garden party or a small pub, I can just use the unit itself. So I've got the option to do either now. So yeah, it's cured the problem anyway, but I thought I'd yeah, just give you a quick demo of what it sounds like. Alright, so yeah, even though it is playing in mono, obviously, because there's a mono amp in them, it still sounds pretty cool, I must admit. So I'll give it a run. Alright. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Knows that she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
playing over Bluetooth. So this is connected to these by Bluetooth. I went out and got a Bluetooth transmitter which is directly connected to the called in on my disco unit, and yeah, works absolutely perfect. So I can do a direct connection as well, it works both ways, but yeah, Bluetooth works just as well, so it doesn't really matter. It saves extra cables. played through my Canon HD camera with the onboard microphone, so obviously you're not getting probably the top-notch sound, but if you've been listening through headphones, which I would have said in the description, yeah, you should get a good idea of what the sound sounds like. Yeah. The microphone works extremely well as well. As you see, the Bluetooth works perfectly. It's also got onboard SD cards you can put in, or you can put a stick in. Does MP3s and WAV files. Yeah, works extremely well. So yeah, so yeah, so I sent a message to the manufacturer to say, yeah, it was my fault. Well, my system's fault. And yeah, it works perfectly well. Very clear, very solid sound. Got a stand, get a set of stands with it. Covers for the speakers, a microphone, all the leads, including the patch lead from from the main amp onto the slave. It was £210, something like that. I mean, the price might have changed now, but yeah, it's well worth the money, absolutely. Yeah, if you want to spend out a big budget but you want a decent PA system that will do a reasonable sized hall or a pub or something like that, yeah, this is perfect for it. Yeah, unfortunately, obviously I'm fixed by using copyright free music, so there's not a lot I can do about that. Yeah, no, it plays really well. Everything I've tried on it works perfectly, including Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody. That comes out absolutely perfectly. Not in stereo, but you know, in mono it comes out absolutely perfectly clear. So yeah, no, good system. So yeah, I was a bit worried there for a minute. I thought, yeah, going to have a problem here. But no, excellent. So yeah, highly recommend this system. These are quite lightweight as well to pick up and move around. And the stands are really substantial too. This is one of the stands. This is one of the stands. Come with safety pins and everything. So yeah, well worth the money. Decent nuts and bolts with locking nuts. Yeah, really well, really good. For the money, absolute excellent quality. So yeah, highly recommend. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give a like, and any comments you want to give down in the comment section, by all means do so. Okay? So, see you next time. Take care and goodbye.